Hi Sean, Aaron for Taylor & Son Chevrolet here. Going to be doing that walk around video for you on this 14 Camaro. Well, it's inside in my showroom, so I'll do my best to point out everything I can and get you the best angle of this as possible. But this thing was sold new by us, kept in a climate controlled garage, and rarely driven, only really driven in to have its services done, and very lightly used. Never seen rain, never seen inclement elements. Driven in and serviced yearly, but beyond that, man, not a lot of miles put on this puppy. So it is a black car. I'll do my best to point out any blemishes, but there is very few to point out. It is like a mirror, so bear with me on the reflection. But going around, brand new tires on it, and really nothing in the realm of blemishes to point out beyond maybe like the most slight from dusting. You will get in the certain light, you will get a few little swirls, but beyond that, no real scratches or dings to point out. Like fingernails maybe grabbed the trunk there, pulling up those light again, and it's mostly light dependent. Doing my best there to get those for you. I think the most significant, well, I can't even see it again. Right light has such a bearing on whether you see any of the dusting kind of like line or swirling. Going down the side of the vehicle here on the driver's side. Like again here from grabbing the door, maybe in the right light, you can see there is like maybe a fingernail or two is drug across there at some point. Very light, probably buff right out with the right buffing. Going down the side of the vehicle here again on the driver's side, I think the most significant item on this, there is one rock chip. That being the entirety of any blemishes on the paint that I could find. Front fascia. Again, the carbon fiber inlay on the hood. And then going around on the interior, again, pretty much like new. It's got the suede interior, the microfiber suede. Same with the dash. Infotainment cluster, shifter, center console, all that in like new condition. Same with the back seats, never sat in. Again. All right, working around to the driver's side. I'll open this up here for you. The biggest and only imperfection on the interior I found is there is one nick in the seat piping right there. Very, very small, but that is the only blemish on the inside of this vehicle. I did hear you wanted to hear the engine start, so check in this puppy and start it up for you. It is in the dealership in the showroom, so I'm not going to let it run for a long period of time here. 4,100 miles on it, very rare for 14, obviously. All right, here she goes. Pretty rad. ZL1, pretty mean machine for sure. I'll pop the hood so you can see the inside of the engine bay here. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Again, super clean engine bay, 580 supercharged horsepower. All right, well, there you have it, my friend. I thank you for the interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons signing off.